G'day folks. I hope you can make out these two beautiful little finches here sitting in the early morning sun doing their early morning toilet. Oh, preening. I'm at almost full zoom here, so now I'm not exactly sure what these little guys are. I know there's some called firetails. There's so many finches and small passiformes in Australia. Aren't they beautiful? I'll have to try and get this stabilised because they're so far away, as I've said before, on full zoom. Every little twitch I make is magnified. I'll look these guys up when I get home. I'll give you their proper ID. It's tiny. And they're preening each other, so that's, I think I could safely say that that's a couple or a pair. You know, bonding and preening each other as part of the courtship and that sort of display. Beautiful little things. Down here in this little section of mangroves. Anyway, as I said, I'll ID these later and I'll put their name up. A couple of little finches. You've got that red rump and red cheek, and looks like under the throat too. And an olivey sort of colour. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Good morning, and Aussie birds rock. See ya.